Welcome. In front of me is an Amazfit GTS 3 and today I'll go over unboxing of this product. So I'll just get straight to it. Figure out how to actually open it up. Looks like I don't need a knife. Oh, great. Okay, so I'm just gonna let it lay here. As you can see, we have some instructions, and in here we only had charging for our watch, and that's about it. Now, unfortunately, the watch itself is not charged, so it's not like I can show you anything here. But with that being said, you can see that's basically all we get here: a watch and a charger. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.